Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to make celery juice with a blender. The reason why I'm using a blender instead of a juicer is very simple. I don't have a juicer, but I find that actually with the blender you're very fast and it's very easy. So today I'm going to show you what you're going to need, like in sense of utensils, and also how to do it step by step. And you'll see it's really super easy. You can do your juice in about 5 to 10 minutes every morning. You can also do it in the evening and then just store it in the fridge. And that's also a little tip from me. If you make celery juice, keep the celery itself in the fridge, so in the morning if you do it, it's nice and cold. So as you can see, you don't actually need a lot to do this. You need about 2 pieces, so 2 like whole pieces of celery. If you can, get it organic, but the other thing will do as well. If you don't get it organic, I would recommend washing it with a little bit of vinegar just to get the residue of the pesticides off your celery. And then I always use like a big jar. It's just that's the easiest way to get the juice in. Then I have this nut milk bag. You can get it in an organic store, so that's where we juice it through. Obviously a nice sharp knife and a cutting board. That's basically all you need. So as a first step, you want to cut the celery. So we're going to cut the ending about, I don't know, a centimeter away from the lowest part. And then I always cut off the leaves because I'm not really a big fan of having the leaves in my juice because it makes it taste really bitter. So you can just cut it off and then it looks about like this. So sometimes you can already buy it this way, but if you don't, just cut it off. See if there's any other pieces that are not really nice and you just cut it off. So as a next step, you want to wash your celery quite firmly, making sure you get all the dirt off. Especially with organic celery, you will find that it has much more dirt than the regular bought celery. You might want to still take some leaves off if there are some that you forgot to cut. So just make sure that everything is really clean and nice. As a next step, you want to cut your celery. So just want to cut it in really small, nice pieces. Make sure it fits into your blender. And if you see like some chunks are not good, you can just throw them away. Good. So, and then from there, you just take a couple of pieces, you put them in your blender utensils, so in your cup holder. I have a NutriBullet at the moment, which is not very big and it's not very strong, but you know, you work with what you got. And you can see it's already a little bit pulpy because I already did a first round. Now you might find that sometimes, like the blenders, they struggle a little bit because you're not supposed to add any water to the juice. But try to just keep on going until it's really mushy, because it will happen after a while. So just take your time and try to not add any water because you don't want to dilute the celery. And back it again. Sorry, it's really hard to close it with one hand. So yeah, and then you just mix it. Now once you have your kind of like pulp, your smoothie, you're just gonna take your nut milk net. You're gonna place it in the holder. So this is a measuring cup for me because it's really nice and big. And then you're just gonna place all of this in to your net. So that didn't work out quite as planned because I have it now all on the other side, but we can handle this, we can do this. So that's where we are. And you can see it's already kind of coming out. And so from here it's actually really simple. Wait, I'm just gonna put this away a little bit. And then you just milk your celery juice. You're just juicing it out. Can you see that? So just, and you just want to do this very gentle so it doesn't splash everywhere. That's why I'm having the cup holder because, or the measuring cup, because it just makes it a lot easier. Sorry, you can hear my baby in the background. Hey, honey. Hey, honey. can see it becomes this kind of like pulpy stuff once you're done, which you could technically dry and use it as seasoning, or you can just throw it away. I usually throw it away because I don't have a dryer at the moment. And just keep on pressing this out until you're sure that you have all your celery juice. So, and that's it. That's the finished product, my celery juice. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you could learn something. I can really recommend trying the celery juicing. It has helped me tremendously with being tired. I don't need coffee anymore. I don't have brain fogs in the afternoon. I feel much more concentrated. I don't have cravings. And there's so many more health benefits to this amazing drink. And if you want to know more, follow my blog or just check out Medical Medium on Instagram. So thank you very much and bye-bye.